Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to add friends on Strava. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Strava application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. From there, you want to search for Strava, find the application and install it. So once you have installed it, now we can get started opening it up. And once you open it up, you are going to go and be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started with browsing our activities, our routes, and so on. And now as you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, we have the sections tab where we can find all the sections that we can access within the application. So you can see we have the home page, the maps, record, groups, and so on. And now we can get started with adding friends. And to be able to add friends, what we want to do is go into the groups section right here by clicking groups in the bottom right corner. This is now going to go ahead and open up this page where we can take a look at the clubs that we have, challenges, and as you can see in the upper left corner you have a magnifying glass. This is going to be the search bar. Once you open up the search bar, it's going to enable you to search for clubs and to search for friends. So if you want to add any friends that you want to go ahead and add, you can go and search for them right here. So you can see you have the option to search for people on Strava. You can either connect with Facebook, you can go ahead and enter in your contacts, QR code, and so on. All of the options are available to find your friends, and once you add them, they're going to be added to your friend list and you can get started with doing activities with them, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.